Pika Lab is a wonderful text-to-video generator and image-to-video generator tool. Recently, Pika has launched their update version 1.0, and there's been a lot of hype around Pika Lab 1.0. I've only had a few days to play around with it, but it'd be cool to explore it together. Let's dive in. To access Pika Lab, open your browser and enter pika.art at the address bar. Previously, you had to use Pika on a Discord server, but Pika launched their web version. You can still use it on Discord. Okay, if you don't have an account, just create one or connect with Google or Discord. Once you've signed in, you'll be welcome to their Explore page, and you'll see some examples from previous users. The first one is the cute Pika Santa, then the Christmas market, and many other outstanding creations. They are really good. At the top, you will find My Library. Here you will find your creation, as this one is a brand new account and we don't create any content yet, it's blank. If you want to join their Discord server, you can do it by clicking on the Discord icon from here. Alright, let's create some videos with Pika. To do this, we have to enter the text prompt in this prompt box. For example, I am entering a beautiful German woman walking on a busy street. After entering, you can add a reference image or video by clicking on here. After that, this is the video option. Here you can select the aspect ratio. You can generate videos in 6 aspect ratio, which are mostly used aspect ratio size. Select one of them. Then the FPS means frame per second. You can set the value 8 to 24. 24 is the standard value of FPS in filmmaking. After that, this is the motion control option. Here you can control your camera motion. First, the camera control. Here you can set pan, tilt, roll, or zoom motion. This feature is amazing. After setting the camera control, set the motion strength. Obviously, if you bring it up to 4, the motion will be more intense. At 1, it'll be more subtle. And then the last parameter here, you can put in your negative prompts. If you're familiar with Stable Diffusion, it's very similar. So I use things like ugly, blurry, and warped. You'll find your seed numbers here, should you want to reuse the seed for a certain scene. And then they have something here, consistency with text. It's sort of like prompt guidance or CFG. I find anywhere from 10 to 15 pretty good, but basically the lower it is, the more creative it tends to be. And the higher it is, it'll adhere to the prompt a little bit more. After all is set, hit the generate icon from here. And here it is. Our video is ready. That's good but not great. It could be because of a very basic prompt. Okay, let's try with another prompt. This time I will generate a cozy living room video. I am entering a detailed prompt now. After entering the prompt, I will set the aspect ratio to 9:16. After that, the camera control and parameter. While done, hit the generate icon. And here it is. This one is great. It's so much more realistic. Now you can generate any kind of video with Pika 1.0. Let's try something different. Now I will generate different style videos with the same simple prompt. A sunny day in a park. A young girl sitting on a bench and eating ice cream. After that, I am entering 3D animation style. Let's see the result. It generates a 3D animation video of a young girl eating ice cream, but other details are missing. But it is acceptable. Now I will generate videos with 3 different styles with the same prompt. The first one is anime style, the second one is manga style, and the last one is comic book style. Let's see the result. The first one is just outstanding. It generates a perfect anime style video. The second one is also good. And the third one looks like a realistic video, not comic book style. Alright, now let's talk about some other extraordinary features of Pika 1.0. After generating a video while reviewing, you will find some extra options. You can regenerate the video, edit it, add an extra 4 seconds, or upscale the video. That's our amazing feature. Let's select Edit. Now you can modify the region, which means you can add or customize any object from the video. For example, I want a sunglass on her. Just select the area and then enter the object prompt in the prompt box and then hit the generate icon. Here is our result. Wow, that's amazing. The next option is Expand Canvas. With this feature, you can expand the video canvas. After selecting the Expand Canvas tool, select an aspect ratio. Let's go ahead and generate that. And then you'll see the videos regenerating with the expand canvas icon on the top left. Okay, let's take a look at the expanded canvas, and yeah, looks very seamless and is definitely a great feature to have, especially if you're doing like YouTube Shorts, Reels, TikTok, or whatever the case may be. Alright, sometimes we need a longer video, but Pika generates only a 3-second video. But you can extend 4 more seconds from here. After selecting Add 4 seconds, hit the Generate button. And here it is. Now our video is 7 seconds long, and the quality is really good. Pika brings another amazing feature. Now you can upscale any video up to 2K with Pika Labs. After selecting the video, click on Upscale here, and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. Look at the quality. Let's download the video and see the properties. And the result is in front of you. Alright, now let's talk about image to video and video to video features. You can generate videos from a reference image or video. Just click on here and then upload your reference image after that. Enter the prompt and other settings, and then hit the Generate button. And here is our result. That's a perfect video. I love it. Similarly, you can generate a video from a reference video clip. In my opinion, Pika has brought some extraordinary changes in the AI video generator industry. And the most fun fact is that it's completely free to use and open to all. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Pika Labs 1.0 update. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!